All right, spiritual seekers, let's dive into the magical world of amethyst crystals. If you're on a journey of self-discovery, amethyst is about to become your new best friend. Amethyst is more than just a pretty purple stone. It's known for its powerful healing properties and spiritual vibrations. This crystal has been cherished for centuries, from ancient Egypt to modern-day holistic practices. But what makes amethyst so special? First, let's talk about its calming energy. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, holding an amethyst can bring a sense of peace and tranquility. It's like having a piece of the serene night sky in your hand. Not only does it calm the mind, but it also enhances your intuition. Imagine having a personal guide, subtly nudging you towards the right path. That's what amethyst does. It opens your third eye and crown chakras, heightening your spiritual awareness and inner wisdom. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can use amethyst in your daily life. Place it under your pillow for restful sleep and vivid dreams. Keep it on your desk to boost your creativity and focus. Or simply wear it as jewelry to keep its protective energy with you all day long. Speaking of protection, amethyst is a natural shield against negative energy. Whether it's from people, environments, or even your own thoughts, this crystal helps to purify and protect your aura. It's like having a spiritual bodyguard by your side. But that's not all. Amethyst also supports emotional healing. If you're dealing with grief, anger, or sadness, this crystal can help you process and release those emotions. It's like a gentle hug for your soul. So how do you choose the right amethyst? Trust your intuition. The crystal that catches your eye or feels right in your hand is the one meant for you. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to connect with your amethyst. Finally, don't forget to cleanse your crystal regularly. You can do this by placing it under moonlight, burying it in the earth, or using other crystals like selenite. Cleansing helps to refresh its energy and keep it at its highest vibration. All right, spiritual seekers, that's a wrap on why amethyst crystals are your new best friend. Embrace their magic and let them guide you on your spiritual journey. Until next time, stay enlightened. Stay